friends, my name is Miss Veronica and I'm here at the library with another Crafty Time project. Today we're going to be making Puffy Slime. For Puffy Slime you will need 4 ingredients. You will need eye contact solution, shaving cream, glue, and food coloring. First we are going to take our glue. This is a 4-ounce bottle. And if you have a big bottle of glue, you can use a 1/2 cup of glue. And we're going to pour it into our bowl. Want to make sure to get all the glue out. And then we are going to take our shaving cream and we're going to shake it up. And we're going to pour it into our cup. And we're going to use our spoon to scrape out the shaving cream. And we want 2 cups of shaving cream. There we go. You can probably find a lot of these ingredients at home. You can ask your grown-up. And then we're going to stir things together. And we're going to pick our color. I'm going to choose green today because green is my favorite color. And we're going to just pour it in there. And we are going to stir that up. Look how pretty that looks. But you know what? I think I want a little bit darker. So I'm going to put in some more food coloring. I'm going to put a lot. See how green I can make it. Oh. Ooh, that looks pretty. All right, next we're going to take our eye contact solution and I'm going to shake that up a little bit as well. And I'm going to pour it into my 4th cup. The other day I was making slime and it came out very slimy. So I noticed that if I pour more eye contact solution into the slime, that's what helps make it puffier. And I'm going to pour that right in. And then I'm going to stir it all together. Look how slimy that looks. Next, I'm going to do the fun part, the messy part. I am going to stick my hands in the slime. And I'm going to mix everything together. That is very slimy. So the more that you work with the slime, the puffier it will become. So you could just get the slime out. And it's a fun, hands-on activity. This is really fun to play with. So if you'd like, you can also add glitter into your slime, or you can add beads and make words with your slime. That would be really fun. So thank you for joining us today. If you'd like to see any other craft projects, please comment down below and give us a like and subscribe. Thank you and see you soon.